In this video, we're going to be drawing a virtual image with a concave mirror. So let's set up a scenario where we're going to produce a virtual image. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is determining the position and the nature of an image 1 centimeter tall that is placed 3 centimeters in front of a concave mirror of a focal length 6 centimeters. So let's start by drawing the template. So as we've done before, the template is made up of a horizontal line which we're going to mark off as being the principal axis. There's our horizontal line, and we'll just label that principal axis. Next thing that we require then is a mirror. So we're going to use a vertical line to draw in our mirror. And then we label it. So now let's put the information onto our diagram. So first off, I know that the focal length is 6 centimeters. So from the mirror, I'm going to draw a dot 6 centimeters away. And I'm going to label it F for focal point. Next, I then need to put in my object. Now, we know that the object is placed 3 centimeters in front of the mirror, so it's between the focal point and the mirror, and is 1 centimeter tall. So I use my arrow, and I'm going to label it object. Next, I'm going to apply the concave mirror laws. So the first law states that we go parallel with the principal axis, hit the mirror, reflect off the mirror, and then pass through the focal point. So I'm just going to measure 1 centimeter up on the mirror. There's my parallel line with the principal axis, and then pass from the mirror through the focal point, putting in the arrows to show the direction. The next one goes through the focal point, in this case through the top of the object, reflects off the mirror, and goes parallel with the principal axis. So here's my parallel line, and I put my arrows in. Now you'll notice that they do not cross on the real side of the mirror. So what happens is, they now have to track back and produce a virtual image. So I track back the reflected rays, not the incident rays. So the first reflected ray is the parallel line from the second law. So I'm tracking it back with a hatched line. And then there's the reflected ray that went through the focal point. Where the two lines converge or cross basically is going to be where the image is. But because it's on the other side of the mirror, it's going to be virtual. So I'm putting in my hatched line to demonstrate or represent my image. Now, I'm going to label my image, and basically I'm going to analyze the drawing. So here's my label. So I now know that the nature of the image is virtual because it's on the far side of the mirror. I also know that it's upright, and compared to the objects, it's enlarged. And its position, as we can tell from our ruler, is 7.2 centimeters behind the mirror. Okay, thank you for watching.